Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for integration. Kindly shows that we have the integration x to the power 5 ln x respect to x from the limits 1 until e. So refers to the situation, my suggestion is to make use of the by-part integration. So u and dv. So ln x become the u and we have the integration x to the power 5 dx. So differentiate, we have 1 over x dx. Integrate, we have x to the power 6 over 6. So substitute into the formula, we have the uv. So x to the power 6 ln x over 6 minus, we have the integration v. So 1 over 6 x to the power 6 du, where we have 1 over x dx. Rewrite the situation. We have x to the power 6 ln x over 6 minus 1 over 6 integrate x to the power 5 dx. So integrate, we have ln x multiplied with the x to the power 6 minus, we have x to the power 6 over 36 bracket, we have the limit 1 and exponent. So kindly substitute. We have e to the power 6 and then ln e over 6 minus e to the power 6 over 36. If we substitute 1, we have 1 ln 1 over 6. So notice that this one becomes 0 minus 1 over 36. So kindly rewrite the situation. So in here we will have 1. In here we will have 0. So we will have exponent 6 over 6 minus exponent 6 over 36 plus with 1 over 36. Kindly equate the denominator. So we have 6 exponent 6 minus exponent 6 over 36 plus with 1 over 36. If we simplify, so we will have 1 over 36 bracket 5 exponent 6 plus with the 1. So refers to the question, integrate for the function x to the power 5 ln x dx for the limit 1 until e equals to 1 over 36 bracket 5e 6 plus with the 1, and we already shown the situation. Kindly refers to the question. By substituting the situation, here we have the u squared equals to x plus with the 4. So kindly differentiate. So we have 2u du equals to 1 dx. So kindly substitute the situation. So in here, integrate, we have 1 over. So refers to this part, we have the x. So x is equals to u squared minus 4. So we have u squared minus 4. For this part, we have the function u. And then for this part dx, we have the 2u du. Kindly simplify the situation. So if we simplify, we have integrate. We can simplify the situation become 2 over u minus 2, u plus 2, and then du. So notice that, make use of the partial fraction. So kindly focus on this part, where we have 2 over u minus 2, u plus 2. Basic structure, we have a over u minus 2 plus with b over u plus 2. Why a and b? Because refers to the denominator, we have the linear factor. So the numerator will be a constant. So 2 is equals to a multiplied with u plus with the 2 plus with b u minus 2. In order to find the a, u must be equals to 2. In order to find the b, u must be equals to negative 2. So 2 is equals to 4a. So a will be equals to 1 over 2. Next, if u equals to negative 2, we have 2 equals to negative 4b. So b is equals to negative 1 over 2. So kindly sum up or replace the situation. So in here we have integrate. We have 1 over 2 bracket u minus 2. Continue, minus 1 over 2. We have u plus with the 2 respect to u. Kindly integrate. We have 1 over 2 bracket ln u minus 2 minus ln u plus with the 2. Then combine the situation. So we have 1 over 2, then ln bracket u minus 2 over u plus 2. Then do remember, substitute the u. So 1 over 2 ln modulus, we have square root of x plus 4 minus 2 over, we have square root of x plus 4 plus with the 2 plus with the c. So here we have the situation, the region R bounded by the curve. So we have the quadratic and the line, x plus y equals to 2, and x equals to -1 and x equals to 2. It's rotated through 2 pi radian about the x-axis. Calculate the volume, solid, generated. So my point of view start with the points of intersection. So the intersection point, we have the situation, x squared plus with the 3 equals to, we have 2 minus x. So x squared plus with the x plus with the 1 equals to 0. If we refer to the calculator, we will have to factorize and we will obtain the symbol I. Means that we have no real root. So meaning that the curve for the quadratic does not meet with the line x plus y equals to 2. Next is to sketch the graph. So first what we have to do is to make use of the situation. We have the function. Here we have y, here we have x. So x squared plus with the 3. So it's a smiling face and then pass by the 3. So let's say here we have 3. So y is equals to x squared plus with the 3. Continue. X plus y equals to 2. If we substitute x is equals to 0, then we will have the situation 2. Here we have the value 2. Here we have the value 1. Continue. If y is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. So here we have 1 and then 2. Then continue. We have the function y is equals to negative x plus with the 2. Next, x equals to -1 and x equals to 2. Next, we have x is equals to -1 and x equals to 2. So the region will be this part. So continue. Find the volume. So referring to the situation, we have integrate, multiply with the pi. So we have the function, which is the curve. So x squared plus with the 3 square minus, we have the straight line. We have 2 minus x bracket square respect to x. For the limit, -1 until 2. Continue. My suggestion is to expand the situation. So we have the pi integrate x to the power 4 plus with 6x squared plus with the 9 minus bracket. We have the 4 minus 4x plus with the x squared. Kindly simplify the situation. So we have pi integrate x to the power 4 plus with 5x squared plus with 4x and then plus with the 5 respect to x. So -1 until 2. Next is to integrate the situation. So x to the power 5 over 5 plus 5x to the power 3 over 3 plus 2x squared plus with 5x. So we have 2 and -1. So if we sum up, pi bracket, we have 566 over 15. If we sum up the 2, minus, if we sum up the -1, and we will have -73 over 15. So in here become positive 73 over 15. So if we sum up and simplify, we have 639 over 15 pi. Simplify, we have 213 over 5 pi unit cube, or 42.6 pi unit cube. That will become the volume for the situation. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.